Bad Bay is a former clearance village located above the cliff tops of Berriedale on the east coast of Loch Ness. The village was settled in the 18th and 19th centuries by families evicted from their homes that were cleared for the establishment of sheep farms. It was said that people had to tether their cattle, hens and even children to stop them being blown off the cliffs. It amazes me that people managed to live in such an inhospitable place like this. The last resident of the village left in 1911, and in that year the son of a former inhabitant who had emigrated to New Zealand erected a monument which contains the names of all the former inhabitants, which is built from the stones of their old home in memory of his father and the people of Bad Bay. Today, the ruins of the village are preserved as a tourist attraction and memorial to the Highland clearances. The dwellings have all fallen into ruin and little remains other than a few dry stone walls, although the outlines of the buildings and remains of the crop fields are still visible. See why it's not lasted long, because it's so exposed up here. Place for a village, really. Some more stuff down there, I think, but it's just a few ruins, hardly anything. Right, so next destination is another one of these like 1,000-year-old ruins. Probably more, probably like 3,000-year-olds. This is quite close to the road, you just got to sort of go across the road to get to it. This one looks quite big, it's huge. Carn Laith is a fine example of a solid-based Broch tower. Broches are a sophisticated type of Iron Age settlements and they can only be found in Scotland. Oh, just it, is it? The entrance. Cool. Oh, that's it. Oh no, it goes in. Ah. Crazy. Inside the Broch. Actually huge. Goes up as well, look at this. Whoa. What is it? Crazy, it's right next to the main road. Today, Carn Laith stands at about 3 metres tall, but when complete it could have been at least 3 times that. Carn Laith's surrounding enclosure also contains the ruins of an associated village, a rare survival of stone houses and outbuildings, the earliest of which would have been contemporary with the Broch. Build them like they used to. Let's add some reinforcement up here on it. Down here, it's just a little room. Yeah, it's just a short little stop away. Okay, so this is probably going to be the last stop on the NC500. See, I'm almost near Inverness anyway. There's literally a beach here I was going to check out, but I've seen so many beaches, I'm just not bothered. So I'm going to quick look at Loch Ness and, so look, spin it around. Yeah, I'm going to have a look at Loch Ness. I'm not going to go to the exhibition because it'd just be a tourist trap. It's a Saturday as well, so it'd be so busy. I'm just going to put in a lay-by and have a look at the lake just to take a few pictures and whatnot. I won't go all the way down, I'll probably only go like a quarter of the way. Just to say I've been there, you know, I can say, oh, I've been to Loch Ness. Right, so I finally made it. Loch Ness, it was a bit of a drive. There's a little path down here from this lay-by, but it's really tricky to get by. Wow. Oh, made it. Look at this. It's a bit of a a really steep path down, but you shouldn't really go down here, to be fair. It's absolutely huge, look at it. No wonder they haven't found the monster yet. I think it's probably really deep in there. Well, at least check it out. It's super windy still. It's crazy. I'm not going to stay along though. Just come for a quick look. Well, it's just on the way anyway. It's probably a 20 miles trip to come here. I just sort of got to have a look at least. I'm not going to touch the water though because it's a bit choppy. Might I'll get soaked. Camera might do that. Yeah, I'm going to take a few pictures and head back.